What's going on, family? Pedro here with another video. I just want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe below because I post weekly videos on learning how to trade and also all my entrepreneurial journey. If you're looking to learn how to trade, you want an honest approach, I'm here to help, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button while you're at it. But with that being said, guys, let's dive into my current analysis, my weekly analysis on GBP JPY. And as you guys can see, this is currently the daily chart. We can see that price has been trading bullish. I mean, we have been seeing this bullish momentum. We can see a lot of higher highs, higher lows, and price has continued to push to the upside. So I could definitely expect price to, have a healthy correction. We could expect price to exhaust at this point because we have been seeing this strong push to the upside. I could expect a nice clean correction. In the short term, I'll show you on the 15-30 minute what I'm looking at. But in terms of long term, we can actually expect price to kind of pull back to this key level over here, potentially come back to this area over here and test these zones over here. So let's move over to, so as you can see, this is the 4 hour, helps us get an idea of the overall direction of the market. We have been seeing price still create higher highs and higher lows. So basically price is still not indicating us long-term wise that it's going to be pulling back. But at this point, we can expect price to naturally pull back after especially a big push like this on a 4 hour chart. I mean, the picture gets much more clear once we start getting into the smaller time frames. So if we take a look over at the 15 minute, I woke up today's Tuesday, April 19th. It is 7:30 a.m. I did get in the trade at 7 a.m. roughly, so about half an hour ago. And basically I want to show you guys what I'm looking at and what I saw, right? So essentially here, what I saw, as mentioned, we've been seeing price push up. And so I'm expecting some sort of a pullback. I did see these formations here. So I did see this sort of a double top pattern formation here on the 15 minute, not as strong as I'd like to on a 30 or an hour chart, but at least it can kind of indicate us short-term wise the overall direction of where price could potentially be going. Remember, guys, trading is all about probabilities. No one knows exactly for sure, but what we want to do is we want to make sure that we look at all the different signals that we could see and basically act on that, right? So if we see that price is showing us weakness, if price is showing us the momentum is slowing down, we could see bearish candle formations, right? Bearish pattern formations, right? So if we start seeing these different types of signals, these are different indications that can tell us, hey, this is what the market wants to do, this is the overall direction it wants to take, and then we can make base our decisions based off of that. So not only did we see this strong push here, it created some sort of a double top formation. Price did reject, and it actually broke through this small support here. So as you can see, I saw price come down here, and then when I got in, it was roughly around this area here, and I saw price kind of pulling back up. As we can see, obviously market is not as strong. So after this pullback, I mean, we could expect price come to this key level over here and then continue higher. But in the short term, I'm getting in here on a pullback trade, essentially. So we saw price break down. This is the key support area. And then price has now rejected this key level here. This is where I got in and I put a short. And as you can see, I did put a 20 pip stop loss and potentially making a quick 49 pips. So, I mean, this is a nice little quick in and out trade during the day. It's 7 a.m. I'm expecting price to continue and probably reach this target by probably around 10 a.m. So it's a nice quick in and out trade. I just did want to show you guys kind of a good example of getting into the market, right? And being able to take advantage when you see the opportunity, when you get, when the opportunity presents itself. So it's not about always just getting in a trade, but it's also about looking for the best probable trades and opportunities. So this is something I wanted to show you guys as a perfect example. As you can see, right, we've got that strong momentum, right, that double top rejection, strong momentum downwards, price pulls back up, and it's coming here and rejecting this key level. So I expected price to come down and potentially retest these areas over here, and potentially even go further. But on the short term, this is kind of what I'm expecting for this trade. And just to kind of show you guys that I am on this trade, I'm not just talking about it. You can see trades there. It's a smaller account, but at least you can kind of see that I am in profits right now. And I'll show you kind of the same setup. Trades in there. So yeah, guys, like, great example. I mean, if I would have done a full lot, that'd be in a quick, easy 49 pips. That's $490 profit in less than an hour. So a good example of, like, being able to kind of take advantage of the opportunity, see how you can get in, and then just kind of go from there. And as you can see right now, price is completely melting. And again, this is live, guys. It's 7:38 a.m. April 19th. Just wanted to show you guys this and how you can replicate these trades as well. Moving on to Euro USD, I kind of wanted to show you guys this just so you can see kind of how we can start looking at the overall direction in the markets and kind of get an idea as to what we can expect with price movements and stuff. So we can see price here at this level here has come to this key level. You can see that price has rejected this area before in the past. We can see that price has respected this level quite a few times, and probably more further down in history. We can see that price has respected this key level as resistance or as support. So price is at a very, very crucial point. So what does this mean for us? This essentially means that we can kind of start expecting price to start rejecting this key level. So what I'm doing is I do have an eye out on Euro USD. So I do expect the euro to get a little bit stronger over the US dollar and go up in price. But until I don't see price break these highs over here, I won't be expecting anything, any bullish movements just yet. So what we want to see is price is currently just ranging at this time. We will probably see a couple rejections here, probably some ranging, but until we don't see price break this key level over here, I don't expect price to continue to the upside just yet, but this would be a really good trade once the time happens, once we see a nice break to the upside. Once we kind of see price break this rejection area here, and we see price break this key level over here, I can definitely expect price to start forming some new higher highs, and we can definitely get in some really, really good trades. So Euro USD is something I have an eye on, and I just wanted to show you guys this perfect example of a setup. And if we kind of go back to the daily, you can see, right, we are at a key level area, very, very crucial support area. If we do see this area break, then we can expect a continuation to the downside. But other than that, we can see that price could potentially range for a bit and then change its overall direction. So nice clean future trade as well, but wanted to show you guys kind of an example as to how we can go about it, how we can trade this trade, and basically go from there, guys. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you do enjoy these videos, please hit that like button and comment below. Let me know kind of what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to post more about. If you want me to focus on certain pairs, if you want me to make a video on a certain topic, when it in regards to trading, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. I have been keeping to myself for a bit, so I am back, and I'd like to continue making more videos for you guys. So I appreciate any feedback you guys can give me in terms of what you would like to see. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you till next time.